Meanwhile, back here closer to home, a live look from Galveston. On the island, the rain from Tropical Storm Imelda is going to be very heavy there. It doesn't look too bad at the moment,
No,
David. Paul, where is it falling right now significantly?
Galveston County and up and down the Gulf Freeway, they've got a flood advisory there for street flooding and the on ramps and exit ramps, and that's what we're going to see a lot of. As far as a wind threat, no, not really, unless we get an isolated tornado, which possible. We'll watch for that. But this is a significant flood threat. These weak tropical systems, they don't bring much wind with them, but they do bring a whole lot of rain. How much? Widespread 3 to 5, which we can handle. We're dry. Bayous are all down, rivers are down, we're good. It's the isolated 15 to 25 that's possible that we're concerned about and what we'll be watching for very carefully. Winds a threat now through Friday morning. It doesn't end until Thursday night, Friday morning. Galveston, I mean, it's interesting here, tropical storm conditions, although we're not seeing many gusts to 40 miles an hour. Most of the winds down here are 25 to 35 miles an hour, but you're under a tropical storm warning, Galveston and across the upper Texas coast. Obviously dangerous swimming and boating. Don't go in there. Significant flash flood threat on the coast. That may be where the heaviest rain falls. And just to give you a look at the difference between a Cat 2 hurricane, that's Umberto moving out to open sea, but you can see a little bit of a counterclockwise rotation with our very weak tropical storm Imelda, who became a tropical storm right around lunchtime, and then by the middle of the afternoon, the center had moved inland, and now it's already weakening. So again, not a wind threat, as it's now inland. It won't strengthen the winds, but the rain will be wrung out over the next couple of days in these tropical systems notorious for dumping flooding rains. And especially along and to the right of the center. So what I've done is I've drawn where the storm formed, made landfall near Freeport, has moved almost due north. Now it's just north of Angleton. The center's right here. And so that should continue across Harris County up into Montgomery County tonight and into tomorrow. Heaviest rain will be along and to the right of the center of circulation. But the circulation is not just a point, it's broad. It's about 30 miles wide. So what I've done is I've redrawn on the western edge of that circulation along and to the right. That's where the greatest threat for heavy rain will be. And you can see clearly inside this box, if you're in it, Galveston, Angleton, Sugar Land, so Fort Bend County, Wharton County, Brazoria County, Waller County, Grimes County, Montgomery, Walker, Harris County, and obviously Chambers County, Galveston County, Liberty County, everybody along and to the right. That's where we have the greatest threat for heavy rain. And you can see now they've just expanded that aerial flood advisory. That's for street flooding, as we have a heavy rain band that's developed here along the southern portions of Brazoria County. Angleton, expect street ponding. It's light to moderate rain in Houston, but we'll watch. I think overnight we're going to have some of those heavier rain bands come in. Computers now through 9 o'clock. Lots of rain, off and on, off and on. It's heavy again in the morning, 6 a.m. You'll want to be up with us early. We go on the air at 4 o'clock in the morning. By 1 o'clock, still widespread rain. Still widespread rain by 9 o'clock Wednesday night. Still going into Thursday morning, heavy rain is likely. So how much? No, I would urge you not to focus on one point, like Galveston, the model suggesting almost 30 inches of rain. So it's possible, but models are not this good. They can't pinpoint it. So that heavy rain total maybe in Harris County, could be in Montgomery County. It could be really anywhere along or to the right in that box that I drew for you. And so that's why we just need to follow this kind of moment to moment together. And we'll be here and online for you. 80% rain chance Wednesday and Thursday. That's the greatest flash flooding threat through Thursday night. Friday will drop rain chances to 40%. And then after that, we'll go back to the continuation of summer with just a slight rain chance.